Hey friends, welcome back to Get a Simple. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful tools for Amazon sellers, Jungle Scout. Whether you're just starting or looking to scale your Amazon FBA business, Jungle Scout can be a game changer. So, why Jungle Scout? With millions of products on Amazon, finding the right niche, analyzing trends, and beating the competition can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. Jungle Scout simplifies this process by providing powerful insights into product demand, competition, and potential profitability. Ready to get started? Jungle Scout has everything you need to succeed in the competitive world of e-commerce. To get started, just click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.